Greetings everyone, I'm Chavi. First of all, welcome back to Chavi's Notes. Okay, so I've asked the question on Instagram page. So the question was, I hope that some of you might have seen that question. Okay, I'm repeating it once again. So the question was whether suicide is an offense or not. And majority of you gave me the answer that no, it is not an offense. So सबसे पहले एक तो पहली बात ये है कि as being a law student you should read each and every word very cautiously. So the question was whether suicide is an offense or not, and most of you were arguing that ma'am, according to section 309 of IPC it is an offense. That how are you saying that it is not an offense? So I'm repeating it once again that the question was whether suicide is an offense or not. And when you'll flip the pages of IPC and when you'll reach to section 309 of IPC, there they are talking about attempt to suicide. So there's a difference between the two. My question was talking about suicide, and the argument which you are having regarding section 309 of IPC, that is talking about attempt to suicide. So these two things are totally different. So the explanation is that when we talk about suicide, whether suicide is an offense, so एक छोटी सी बात ये देखो कि अगर कोई भी इंसान सुसाइड कमिट करने में अगर सक्सेसफुल हो जाता है, विच मीन्स दैट पर्सन इज नो मोर इन दिस ब्यूटीफुल वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो अगर कोई इंसान अगर इस दुनिया को अगर छोड़ के चला जाता है तो क्या आप उसको वापस ला सकते हो बाय एनी मीन्स? क्या आप उस पर्सन को वापस इस धरती पे लेकर आ सकते हो क्या? आंसर इज नो. So how can suicide be an offense when the person has committed suicide and he has been successful in committing that? So can you bring him back and punish him? No. So that's why suicide is not an offense, but attempt to suicide is an offense which is given under section 309 of IPC. Now अब हम बात करते हैं, अगर हम मेंटल हेल्थ केयर एक्ट की अगर हम बात करें तो वहां पर एक सेक्शन है, दैट इज सेक्शन 115, जो कि बोलता है कि अगर आपने जो है अंडर डिप्रेशन अगर आपने जो है अटेम्प्ट टू सुसाइड करा है तो वो भी जो है आपको जो है पनिशेबल नहीं होगा वो, एंड दैट बिकम्स एन एक्सेप्शन टू सेक्शन 309 ऑफ आईपीसी. सो दिस वाज द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन दैट वेदर सुसाइड इज एन ऑफेंस और नॉट. नाउ इसके सिमिलर ही मिलते जुलते और एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं दोबारा आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूं कि क्या मिसकैरेज ऑफेंस है, इज मिसकैरेज एन ऑफेंस? Pause the video, think yourself, flip the pages of IPC and then tell me whether miscarriage is an offense or not. So the answer is again no, miscarriage is not an offense. How? Because causing miscarriage is an offense under IPC, but miscarriage in itself is not an offense. Miscarriage अगर अपने आप हो गया तो उस पर आप पनिश थोड़ी करोगे यार. Obviously not. Causing miscarriage, intentionally you are causing miscarriage, then it will be an offense. नाउ जब हम मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी की बात करते हैं तो वहां पर जो है अगर उस एक्ट के तहत अगर आप जो है उसके कोई प्रोविजंस जो भी उस एक्ट में लिखा हुआ है, रीड दैट एक्ट आउट, एंड अगर उसमें आप उस प्रोविजन के अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप जो है अब उसको बेसिकली वहां पे आप मिसकैरेज नहीं बोलोगे, उसको आप अबॉर्शन कहते हो. तो अगर मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी के तहत अगर आप अबॉर्शन करते हो तो दैट वुड नॉट बी एन ऑफेंस, बट कॉजिंग मिसकैरेज वुड बी एन offense. So okay, I'm repeating it once again. Miscarriage in itself not an offense. Causing miscarriage, yes it is an offense under IPC. लेकिन जब हम medical termination of pregnancy की बात करते हैं जहां पर जो है certain procedures, certain circumstances mentioned है जिनके अंदर जो है आप abortion कर सकते हो, तो that is also not an offense. Now the third example जो अगर मैं इससे मिलता जुलता अगर आपसे पूछूं, is confinement an offense? I hope by now you must be aware that how to be cautious and how to be aware and how to pay attention to the wordings which has been used in the IPC and the question which I am putting forward. So when the question is asked that whether confinement is an offense, so the answer should be straight away, no madam, it is not an offense. Why? Because when you will flip the pages of IPC, you will see that confinement in itself is not an offense. It is wrongful confinement which is an offense. I hope it is clear by now. Yes or no? So I have discussed 3 examples. The first one was regarding, yes, speak up, suicide, and the second one was regarding miscarriage, and the third one was regarding what? Yes, what was that? Okay, so the third one was regarding whether wrongful confinement is an offense or not. So the answer is yes. Wrongful confinement is for sure is an offense. It is written on the IPC, but confinement is not an offense. I hope this is clear. Thank you so much. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.